Imagine a world where the hustle of the marketplace meets the tranquil flow of water. Vibrant colors dance on shimmering canals, and the air is filled with exotic spices and fresh produce. This is the realm of floating markets, a testament to human ingenuity and our connection to water. From Southeast Asia to Europe, we explore 19 extraordinary markets. Each one, a unique ecosystem teeming with life, where ancient traditions meet modern commerce. Join me as we delve into this watery world where boats laden with treasures glide through communities, offering a glimpse into cultures shaped by the tides. Our journey begins in Thailand, where the legendary Damnoen Saduak market reigns supreme. Just a stone's throw from Bangkok, this market explodes with a kaleidoscope of colors. Narrow wooden boats piled high with tropical fruits, fragrant flowers, and handcrafted souvenirs create a mesmerizing spectacle. Vendors navigate the crowded canals, their cheerful banter a symphony of commerce. Tourists and locals sample local delicacies, from steaming bowls of boat noodles to freshly grilled seafood. Damnoen Saduak is a feast for the senses, capturing the essence of Thailand's vibrant culture. It is a place where tradition and tourism coexist in a delicate balance, a testament to the enduring spirit of this remarkable market. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the water, we arrive at Amphawa, a floating market that comes alive after dark. Amphawa offers a more intimate and relaxed atmosphere, a favorite among locals. The gentle lapping of water against wooden boats provides a soothing soundtrack as twilight descends. Jumbo prawns sizzle on open grills, their smoky scent mingling with the fragrant steam of spicy seafood curry. As darkness envelops the market, the canals twinkle with lanterns, casting an ethereal glow. It's a magical setting, perfect for a leisurely evening stroll. Soak up the vibrant atmosphere and the authentic charm of this beloved local market. Amphawa is more than just a culinary destination, it's an experience. In the heart of bustling Bangkok lies the tranquil oasis of Taling Chan Floating Market. Here, time slows down, allowing visitors to savor the simple pleasures of Thai life. Less crowded than its famous counterparts, Taling Chan offers an authentic glimpse into local communities. Wooden boats laden with fresh produce bob gently in the water. Friendly vendors display their wares, vibrant fruits, fragrant herbs, and freshly caught fish. The true star of Taling Chan is its legendary boat noodles. These flavorful bowls of steaming goodness are cooked right before your eyes in floating kitchens. Enjoy a bowl while experiencing the gentle rocking of the boat and the sounds of local life. Off the beaten tourist path, we find Khlong Lot Mayom, a hidden gem in Bangkok. This charming market offers a genuine taste of Thai hospitality. The air is filled with the sweet aroma of homemade treats as vendors maneuver their wooden boats. Their bounty is a feast for the eyes and stomach. Colorful sticky rice, coconut candies, and exotic fruits. Khlong Lot Mayom is a place to slow down and savor the simple pleasures of life. Connect with the genuine warmth of Thai culture. Discover the most rewarding finds off the well-trodden path. Our journey takes us to Phueng, a floating market embodying the harmony between nature and commerce. Nestled amidst mangrove forests, this market offers cultural immersion and ecological awareness. As we glide along the tranquil canals, we are greeted by a symphony of natural wonders. Lush mangrove trees line the waterways, providing a haven for diverse wildlife. Colorful kingfishers dart through the foliage while mudskippers skip along the banks. Phueng is also a thriving marketplace where local artisans and farmers sell their wares. Hand-woven baskets and fresh produce are grown in harmony with the ecosystem. This market is a testament to sustainable living. Our journey takes us to the Mekong Delta of Vietnam, where life revolves around the mighty river. Here lies Kai Rong, the largest and most vibrant floating market in Vietnam. As dawn breaks, Kai Rong bursts into life with hundreds of boats converging on this bustling marketplace. The air is thick with the sounds of commerce oars slapping water, vendors hawking their wares, and boat engines humming. The sheer scale and diversity of goods set Kai Rong apart. From juicy pineapples to sacks of rice, this market is a testament to the bounty of the Mekong Delta. Kai Rong is a mesmerizing scene of controlled chaos. Deeper into the Mekong Delta we find Kai Bay Floating Market. Known for its laid-back atmosphere and sweet treats, wooden boats glide serenely through the water, their decks transformed into floating kitchens and confectionaries. The air is filled with the sweet aroma of coconut candy, a local specialty. Vendors hand-roll the sticky confection with practiced precision. Kai Bay is more than just a sweet tooth's paradise. It's a place to experience the warmth of the Mekong Delta's people. Take a seat at a floating cafe, sip on strong Vietnamese coffee, and watch local life unfold. Kai Bay offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle. It's a place to savor the simple pleasures of life. In the Mekong Delta, we arrive at Inle Bay, a floating market where seafood takes center stage. Also known as Phueng Heap Market, this bustling hub showcases the Vietnamese people's deep connection to the water. From early morning, Nha Bay comes alive with a cacophony of sounds. Fishing boats navigate the narrow canals, their hulls laden with the day's catch. Vendors display silvery fish, plump crabs, and freshly harvested seaweed. Nha Bay's energy is palpable, fueled by commerce and community camaraderie. Amidst the shouts of vendors and laughter of shoppers, one can witness the heart of the Mekong Delta. Nha Bay is a sensory overload, a feast for the senses. Deeper into the Mekong Delta, we find Xuyen, a floating market off the tourist path. Here, life unfolds at a slower pace, offering a glimpse into rural Vietnam. Xuyen caters primarily to locals, where farmers trade produce and stock up on essentials. The air is thick with the scent of rice, the lifeblood of the Mekong Delta. Women in conical hats navigate their small boats with grace and skill. Xuyen is a place to witness timeless traditions and authentic Delta life. In Borneo's river city, Banjarmasin, lies siring Piere Tendean, a floating market pulsating with energy. Every morning as the sun rises, the market awakens with colorful boats converging on the waterways. The air is thick with sounds, oars splashing, vendors bantering, and shoppers chattering. Bananas and durian are common sights, their aromas mingling in the air. Siring Piere Tendean is a vibrant hub of commerce and community. This market captures the spirit of Banjarmasin. In South Kalimantan, Indonesia, dawn reveals the beauty of Loch Baintan on the Martapura River. Traditional wooden canoes paddled by women known as asil-asil emerge from the mist. Their faces weathered by the sun are framed by colorful headscarves. The asil-asil sell fresh produce, fragrant spices, and hand-woven crafts. Loch Baintan is a market where ancient traditions are passed down through generations. The market is a floating garden bursting with color and life. Loch Baintan is a testament to the harmony between people and nature. In the northern reaches of India, Dal Lake in Srinagar offers a floating market unlike any other. Gliding across the tranquil waters, the snow-capped Himalayas reflect in the mirror-like surface. Brightly painted shikaras, traditional Kashmiri gondolas, bob gently in the water. The market offers unique handicrafts, intricately woven carpets, and cashmere shawls. Dal Lake is a place where nature and culture merge seamlessly. This floating market is a treasure trove of beauty and craftsmanship. In Cambodia, Tonlé Lake is a lifeline for millions, with a floating village that is a way of life. Imagine a village built on water, interconnected by canals and waterways. Children play in the water, fishermen cast their nets, and vendors sell fish and produce. Tonlé is a symphony of sights and sounds, a testament to the resilience of its people. This floating village is a unique and vibrant community. In Myanmar's Shan state, Inle Lake captivates with its serene beauty and unique culture. Life revolves around the water, with inhabitants developing a harmonious way of life. Gliding across the glassy surface, the air filled with the fragrance of lotus flowers. The floating market is a scene of vibrant activity with vendors in traditional attire. Silks and textiles shimmer in the sunlight, reflecting Inle's cultural heritage. Silverware and woven baskets showcase the resourcefulness of the Intha people. Inle Lake is a symphony of life and culture. In the Mekong Delta, Nha Nam lies at the confluence of 5 rivers, pulsating with energy. As dawn breaks, wooden boats converge on this bustling marketplace. The air is thick with sounds. Boat engines, vendor chatter, and water lapping against wood. Mountains of fragrant fruits and fresh vegetables fill the market. The aroma of fish sauce mingles with the scent of fresh produce. Nha Nam is a sensory overload, a feast for the senses. This market captures the spirit of the Mekong Delta. Nha Nam is a vibrant hub of commerce and community. In Bangladesh's southern delta, Barisal is a floating market embodying resilience and resourcefulness. Barisal has a raw, unpolished beauty, playing a vital role in the local community. The muddy waters of the river connect remote villages and facilitate trade. Simple wooden boats glide through the water, laden with jute and rice. The air is thick with the earthy aroma of freshly harvested rice. Farmers transport their bounty to market, their faces etched with satisfaction. Barisal is a humble yet awe-inspiring scene. This market is a lifeline for the region. In Mexico City, Xochimilco offers a glimpse into the rich history and vibrant culture of Mexico. Gliding along canals, the air filled with mariachi music and laughter. Colorful trajineras ferry passengers, their decks adorned with vibrant flowers. Xochimilco is a place where history comes alive. The canals once used by the Aztecs now serve as a place for celebration. On weekends, the canals transform into a floating fiesta. Families and friends gather on trajineras, creating a joyous atmosphere. In Amsterdam, the Bloemenmarkt is the world's only floating flower market. Strolling along the single canal, the air is filled with colors and fragrances. Barges transformed into floating greenhouses overflow with flowers. Tulips take center stage, their blooms bursting with color. The Bloemenmarkt is a testament to the Dutch love affair with flowers. This market is a symphony in bloom. In Sumatra, Indonesia, the Langkat River hosts a tranquil floating market. The air is filled with the sounds of nature, birds chirping, leaves rustling, and water lapping. Traditional boats glide along the river laden with local delicacies. Vendors greet visitors with friendly smiles, offering their wares. Langkat exudes a sense of tranquility and peace. This market is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. From Thailand to Amsterdam, our journey through floating markets has come to an end. We've witnessed the ingenuity and resilience of communities shaped by the tides. These markets are vibrant hubs of community, culture, and tradition. They are a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and thrive. Which market has captured your imagination? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more adventures.